guys, it's me Sniti, your French educator from Master French with Sniti, and today we are going to start with a new video of basic French. So in today's video we are going to learn the fruits which are les fruits. So let's get started, but before doing so let me tell you that I'll be pronouncing the French pronunciations two times. Now here we have the first fruit, that is an apple, and it is called as une pomme. Une pomme. Next comes a banana, which is une banane. Une banane. Now we have a mango, which is une mangue. Une mangue. Next comes an orange, which is une orange. Une orange. Now we have a strawberry, which is une fraise. Une fraise. Next comes cherries, which are des cerise. Des cerise. Now we have grapes, which are des raisins. Des raisins. Next comes a pineapple, which is ananas. Ananas. Now we have a watermelon, which is une pastèque. Une pastèque. Next comes a papaya, which is une papaye. Une papaye. Now we have a peach, which is une pêche. Une pêche. Next comes a plum, which is une prune. Une prune. So that was all for today's video. I hope that you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. With that, thanks for watching. Bye bye and have a nice day.